In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your Slack workspace invitation link to never expire. So if you want your link to permanently to never expire, then it is pretty much simple. First, log into your Slack workspace to get started. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that to support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So to do this, go to your Slack workspace and then head to invite people. If you click on invite people, now down here you'll see your Slack link here. Go ahead and hover over it and to edit link settings. And here you can see link set to expire after. Currently you can see it is set to expire after 30 days. If you want to change this, go ahead and click on this and then choose never expires and then send. Now once you have done that, now if you go ahead and copy your link or share your link, this link, anyone who has it can join your Slack workspace at any time because the link will never expire. So that's how you can change your Slack invitation link to never expire. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.